morning students. Today we will start a new chapter, section formulas. Now this chapter is under coordinate geometry, right? And coordinate geometry is a very interesting topic. So do you know the meaning of the term section? Section means divided. Suppose first consider two-dimensional axis, x-axis and y-axis, okay? And this is our origin, right? Now consider any 2 points on the plane on xy plane. Suppose this is a point P with coordinate x1, y1, okay, and consider a point Q here with coordinate x2, y2. We know that x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the Cartesian coordinates of the point P and Q. Okay. Now from our previous chapter we know how to calculate this distance PQ. Now in this chapter, suppose consider any point on the line segment PQ. Consider R. Suppose this point R, consider on the line segment PQ and between the point P and Q. And if the coordinate of R is x3, y3 and this point R dividing this line at the ratio m is to n, which means this portion RQ, suppose P and Q, suppose this portion to M and PR equals to N, or suppose this point R is dividing this line segment at M is to N, which means suppose PR is M and RQ is equals to N. Okay? Then the coordinate of the R, of the point R will be x3 is equals to M into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, and y3 is equals to m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n, which means if a point R divides this line segment PQ internally at a ratio m is to n, then we can calculate the coordinate of the point R, which is the coordinate of the x coordinate will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and the y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay. Now suppose this point R is here. Okay. This is the point P, x1, y1, and suppose the point is here R with coordinate x3, y3. And also this point R divides this line segment PQ at the ratio m is to n. In that case, the coordinate of R will be x3 is equals to m into x2 minus n into x1 divided by m minus n, and y3 is equals to m into y2 minus n into y1 divided by m minus n. Here the sign is positive when the point R divides the line segment internally. What is the meaning of internally? Internally means the point will be in between P and Q. In that case, we can say that the point R is divides this line PQ internally. But if the point is not between P and Q but on the line segment PQ, but the point is on the line segment PQ, that case we can say that R divides this line segment PQ what? Externally. In case of internally, in case when the point R divides the line segment internally, that case the coordinate will be this, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. But when the point R divides the line segment PQ externally, in that case the coordinate will be mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, and y3 is equals to my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. Is that clear? So now in your question number 2, the coordinate of the point which divides internally the line segment obtained by joining the points (8, 9) and -7, 4 into the ratio 2:3R. So here in this question we have to find the coordinate of the point, suppose R, which divides internally, the line segment obtained by joining the points 8, 9, suppose name this point as P, and -7, 4 name this point as Q, which means we have to calculate the coordinate of the point R which divides the line segment PQ internally. Internally means the point is on the line segment and between P and Q. Okay. So In that case, suppose x3 and y3 be the coordinate of that point. Suppose R. Okay. So we have to calculate the value of x3 and y3. We know that in this case, when a point divides a line segment internally, the formula is m into x2 plus n into x1 by m plus n, right? Now here the value of m and n is 2:3, right? The value of m is 2 and the value of n is 3, and x1, x2 are the coordinates, x coordinate or abscissa of the point P and Q. x1 is 8 and x2 is -4. Now put the value of m, which is 2, into x2 -7 plus value of n is 3 into x1 8 by m plus n, 2 plus 3. 7 into 2 into -7, so -14 plus 3 into 8 plus 24 divided by 3 plus 2, 5. Now subtract 14 from 24, we will get here 10 by 5. So 5 2s are 10, right? Next calculate the value of y3. We know that the formula y3 is equals to m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n, which is equals to, again value of m 2 and y2 is 4. Value of n is 3 into y1, which is 9. Now 2 plus 3, m plus n, 5. Now 2 into 4, 8 plus 3 into 9, 27 by 5. So 35, 27 plus 8 by 5. You know that 5 sevens are 35. So our required coordinate of the point R is x coordinate x3 2, y coordinate 7. So our answer is 2, 7. In our next question, here again you have to find the coordinate of the point which divides externally. Here externally, the line segment obtained by joining these two points in the ratio into ratio 4:3. Okay. So in that case, in this case, here the point, suppose R, we have to find the coordinate of R, and suppose these two points are PQ. First point 2, -5 and second point -3, -2. Okay. Now in this case, here the point R divides this line segment PQ externally. What does it mean? It means the point is on the line segment PQ but not in between P and Q. Not in between P and Q. So suppose this is the point R. So here again we have to find the coordinate, and we know that in case of externally we have to suppose again x3 and y3 coordinate of R. Then we have to find the value of x3 and y3. So in that case, m, our formula is m x2 minus n x1 by m minus n, right? Now put the values of m, n and x1, x2. So here x1 is 2 and x2 is minus 3, right? And the value of m and n is 4 and 3. So write 4 into x2 minus 3 plus, sorry, not plus, minus n, the value of n is 3 into x1 which is 2 by m minus n. So 4 minus 3. Now 4 into minus 3 minus 12 minus 3 to the 6 by 4 minus 3 1. So minus 18. Okay, and calculate the value of y3 is equals to m y2 minus n y1 by m minus n. Again the value of m is 4 into y2. y2 is minus 2 minus n into y1. Value of y1 is minus 5 by again m minus n. Now 4 into minus 2 minus 8 minus of minus 15, which means plus 15 by 1. So 7. So here a required coordinate of the point R is minus 18, 7. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है कि एक पॉइंट इंटरनली डिवाइड कर रहा है एक लाइन सेगमेंट को, सपोज PQ, तो वो पॉइंट कहाँ पे होगा? लाइन सेगमेंट के ऊपर होगा, लेकिन दोनों पॉइंट के बीच में होगा. ओके और अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि एक पॉइंट है R जो इस PQ लाइन सेगमेंट को डिवाइड कर रहा है, कैसे? एक्सटर्नली डिवाइड कर रहा है. व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स द पॉइंट लाइन सेगमेंट के ऊपर ही होगा, लेकिन दोनों पॉइंट PQ के बीच में नहीं होगा. कहाँ पे होगा? आउटसाइड, on the line segment, but not between these two points P and Q. Okay, now consider a line segment PQ. Okay, and suppose R is the midpoint of this line segment of P and Q. Okay, so midpoint, if R is the midpoint, which implies PR is equals to RQ, right? Because R is the midpoint. Now suppose the length of PR is A unit. Okay, then the length of this portion RQ also A units, because R is the midpoint of this line segment, which means PR is equals to RQ. If PR is equals to A units, then RQ is also A units, right? Then tell me the ratio in which the point R divides the line segment. So PR by RQ is equals to value of PR is A and the value of RQ is also A, which means 1 by 1, right? Because we can cancel A by A, here we will get 1 by 1, which means the ratio PR is to RQ is equals to 1:1. तो अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि अगर एक पॉइंट R, एक लाइन सेगमेंट PQ का अगर R is the midpoint of the line segment PQ, that implies that the ratio PR is to RQ is equals to 1:1, right? तो अगर क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि R मिड पॉइंट है कोई लाइन सेगमेंट का, PQ हो और कोई भी हो लाइन सेगमेंट का, which means that point divides the line segment at the ratio 1:1. So in this case the value of M is equals to the value of N is equals to 1. Now come to your question number 1. The coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment obtained by joining the points L, M and L plus M and L minus M. So suppose consider the coordinate of the point P as L, M and the coordinate of Q as L plus M, L minus M. Now suppose R is the midpoint. R is the midpoint of the line segment P and Q. Now in this case R divides the line segment PQ internally. Clearly this point divides this line segment internally because R is the midpoint of PQ, right? Which means R is between P and Q. So now coordinate of R, suppose x3 and y3, okay? So we have to find the value of x3 and y3. Now x3 equals to M into x2 plus N into x1 by M plus N. Apply the formula when the point divides line segment internally because R is the midpoint of PQ, which means R is between P and Q. Now put the value of M, which is 1. So 1 into x2, x2 is L plus M plus N into, again the value of N is also 1 into x1, which is L by M plus N. So 1 plus 1. Now 1 into L plus M, L plus M. 1 into L, so plus L by 2, which means 2L plus M by 2. Now split this, so 2L by 2 plus M by 2, which is equals to L by 2 plus, 2 cancel, L plus M by 2, okay? Next we have to calculate the value of y3, which is the ordinate of the point R. So again y3 equals to M y2 plus N y1 by M plus N. Again value of M 1 into. Okay, so here put the values of M and N, which is 1, right? So 1 into y2 L minus M and the value of N in is also 1 and put the value of y1, which is M. M plus N, 1 plus 1. Next 1 into L minus M, L minus M plus 1 into M by 2. Now cancel plus M minus M. So Our answer is L by 2. So here the coordinate of the point R which is the midpoint of the 2 points. Okay. So the coordinate is L plus M by 2 comma L by 2. So next day we will solve long answer type questions and short answer type question based on this formula. Okay. Thank you, students.